Welcome to the low mid budget watch report, and today we are going to unbox a $50 watch. $50 make you wanna holla. What? Are you dissing my rap? Well, it's actually a Dissing, the Danish brand. Started by two brothers named Dissing no, they are not named Dissing. Their last name is Dissing. The family came from a long history of dissing, I guess. But it's an import brand like the Finnish Leona or the Swedish Triva. They are only importing watches and branding them, maybe designing them. I don't know how much they are putting into this design. I don't know. Well, let's open this $50 chronograph. It's $50 because I bought it on sale. The normal price is $120, and I believe that $50 is the actual price of what these type of watches are worth. And when they put them on sale, they are actually selling the watches for the price they are supposed to. Well, let's open this Dissing watch. The box is very nice. I like it. It's paper and it's simple. And the logo is Dissing. And this is how the box looks inside. I don't know if there's no manual. There's only a Dissing tag. Well, and I will remove the tag. And the color is Tiffany blue. And it's genuine leather. And what does that mean? Is it leather or is it just genuine leather? The only thing they wrapped in plastic is the... So now I will try this chronograph on my wrist. Look at the leather. It doesn't go easy in the... But it's very comfortable. Yeah, fits great. So this is how the watch looks on. Maybe I will have to... Then that's how it looks. Let's do some measurements. Let's measure this watch. And the dial is 42. And from the bottom to the crown it's 46 millimeters. And between the lugs it's 22 millimeters, and from lug end to lug end it is 49.3 millimeters. And the thickness of this chronograph is 11 millimeters. And of course the leather strap is 22 millimeters. The whole case is polished and with a logo on the back side. I think it's somewhere, I think it's a Dane church or something in Denmark. Wow, this is crazy. Second pointer jumps forward and back. That's cray. Chronos works fine. I don't know why the second pointer stopped. When I set the time, it works like normal. Most watch companies has the specs on their sites, but if you log into the Dissing company and you check the specs for this particular watch, it doesn't provide you with information about the movement. It just says quartz movement. And I tried to check this online before buying the watch, but it doesn't tell. So I will open this watch later. Well, I will see in the future. It's a Okay looking watch for the price of $50. If you're looking for a specific looking watch, specific color or something, Dissing has a large range of different looking watches. So if you're looking for some watch that you can't afford and maybe it's on sale, a lookalike is on sale on the Dissing website dit.ur. You can buy a Dissing watch. I bought this one because I wanted one watch with the Tiffany blue color. Nice watch for $50. Makes you wanna holler. You can go to a party with this watch and it's no problem. It's a good looking watch, except the pointers and the polished steel. I would like it to be brushed and polished, and so it could give the watch a little more depth. Well, I don't think it has any lume, but just in case I will shake this, because I've been wrong in the past. Sometimes they just hide the lume. And of course there was no lume, and this is how the watch looks up close. And well, the shiny hands and the fake leather strap and the town of Copenhagen, is it? I don't know. And that's the genuine leather. Is it really leather? I do not know. Got a date window, and the chronos works fine. Quartz Chinese movements, I guess, because I will take a look at that in the future. What more can I say about this Dissing watch? The leather is actually nice. The watch looks nice from a distance, I guess. You can definitely take this out when you go on a dinner or something. You can wear this, it's no problem. The pointers are a bit disappointing. The hands are a bit disappointing. They are too thin and too shiny. And the markers on the dial are also too shiny. I would definitely have wished for some other color on the pointers. The watch is actually good for a $50 watch. It's okay, but if it's on sale, so only buy these type of watches when they are on sale. Because I think the sale prices are actually the fair prices for you as a customer. Well, I'll give this watch a 6 out of 10 because I will wear it sometime. So I would give this a 5 because there's no lume. That sucks very much that there is no lume. Feels lazy to make a watch these days without the lume. I give it 6 out of 10 because I can actually wear this watch. Well, that's all.
Peace!